1:45 na. Si Sofia nasa school pa. Ang dating niya dito sa bahay mga 2:15. So magluluto ako ng kanyang pananghalian kasi dito kakain yun. So ang aking lulutuin is beef caldereta na marinate ko na to. Medyo late na ako nagluto kasi ngayon lang ako nagkabakante ng oras. Dami kasing ginagawa rito. Yan. Para madalian na to kasi palalambutin ko pa to eh. Alam niyo na, wala akong pressure cooker dito. So, sabay ko na yung garlic tsaka onion. Ahoy! Ayun yung masama sa video. Yan. Ang matagal lang ito yung pagpalambot. Kaya nasuggest ko nga na rito magbili kami ng pressure cooker. Okay, lagyan na natin ng tuyo konti. Kayo ba pag magluto kayo ng kaldereta nilalagyan niyo ng tuyo? Ako nilalagyan ko konti ng tuyo. Yan. Lagyan na natin ng tomato sauce. Yan. Huwag natin ubusin to kasi katamtaman lang para hindi gaanong bitter. Para no need to put sugar. Yan lang. Okay. Kasi ito nasa konto eh. Sa karton. So yung mga natira nilalagay niya na rito sa box at fini-freezer namin. Tapos ang ginagawa ko pag gamitin uli saka ko siya nilalabas. So yan. Ito, itatago ko ulit. Marami pa ito yung boxes doon sa freezer. Okay. Paliguan natin ng kumukulong tubig. Yun. Hanggang yan, mga 1 oras. Pagkatapos yan, pag malambot na, saka natin ilalagay yung ating mga paboritong sangkap. So iniisip ko, lagyan ko ng peanut butter, ng cheese, lagyan ko ng pork patty. Yan. Kailangan iniisip ko baka hindi magustuhan ni Sofia pag lagyan ko ng peanut butter. Kasi hindi niya pa nasubukan yung pork, beef caldereta na may peanut butter. Siguro, ligyan natin ng 1 kutsara mamaya-maya. At syempre, huwag natin kalimutan yung magic sarap ng Czech. Parang magic sarap to eh. Itong kuharik. Yan. So, pag kulang, dadagdagan na lang mamaya. Okay? Peanut butter from the Philippines. So, shout out sa aking hipag kay Gilay. Salamat sa iyong peanut butter na pinabaon sa akin pabalik dito sa Czech Republic. So, ito ang aking idadagdag dito. Half spoon lang o 1 spoon. Para tingnan natin. Okay? Kung anong lasa mamaya ng kaldereta natin with peanut butter. Yeah, peanut butter galing Pilipinas. Almost makalimutan ko itong pork patty. Yan, lagyan natin ng pork patty. Yun! Sarap na mamaya. Okay, so nalagyan ko na ng peanut butter, pork patty. Mamaya, pag medyo talagang almost finished na, saka ko lagay yung ating cheese. Naku, lalong naging mabango dahil sa peanut butter. Yung palang purpose ng peanut butter. Daming beses na akong nagluto ng kaldereta pero hindi ko nga nilalagyan ng peanut butter. So ngayon, subukan natin kung ano talagang yung lasa ng kaldereta na may peanut butter. So, yan. Tsaka pati. Yan. Lagyan natin ng green peas. Yun. Buksan natin to. Green peas. Malapit na to. Mga 15 minutes. Wow. Na. Malambot na to. So, ang gagawin natin, talagyan natin yung ating carrots tsaka patatas. Another 15 minutes pag luto na itong carrots tsaka patatas. Tsaka natin lagay yung ating cheese. Yun. Diba? Sarap nito. Talagang naamoy ko yung kwan. Yung bango ng kwan. Peanut butter. Oh! Lagyan natin yung cheese. Yun. Yung katamtaman lang. Masarap kaya to? Masarap to. Kasi kwan to eh. Beef caldereta. Peanut butter with cheese. Yan. Tingnan natin kung masarap ang Sophia nito. She's home, my student. Hi. She is hungry. Almost finished this one, baby. Give me 5 minutes more, okay? Yeah. Okay, put that rice on the table there. Yeah. Fresh from the farm. Talagang kumukulo pa. So, late na kasi ako nagluto talaga. Of sauce. Yan. And get some protein, meat. Let's see if you like my new version of caldereta. Mix it with, mix it because it's too hot. Yeah. Talagang gutom daw siya. Are you better now?
Yeah.
She was absent for 3 days. Kasi nga, yung kanyang ubo at sipon. But she's getting better. Yeah? What can you say?
I'm good. You just hot.
But your rice is not hot, so it's okay.
Yeah, but the meat, the vegetables.
Tender enough?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Is ganyan yung another Filipino dish. Kasi si Sophia nasanay na rin sa pagkain Pinoy. Pag ako dito sa bahay, pag if she doesn't eat at school for lunch, I prefer to cook for her. And of course, I don't know how to cook a Czech dish. I always prepare Filipino food for her. So, masarap. I'll get you some.
I thought you want the pot.
Huh?
You want
Just leave the pot there. Ayaw niya raw ng taba ng baka, yung litid. I like it. I like the litid.
The
How
what?
you call that? The litid. How you call this?
Fat?
Litid. Ano ba yung litid sa English tawag nun? So we call it litid. Yung taba-taba ng baka. Naku, yan pinaka-paborito ko talaga. So anything your classmates said about your absence?
No, just where have I been?
Huh?
Like, where have I been?
Okay. And then what did you tell them?
I've been sick.
Are you supposed to? Are you gonna watch? You have to watch my vlog. You know that I was sick. You're supposed to tell them. You like the sauce? Sauce is really good, right? You know what? I put peanut butter.
Peanut butter?
Yeah.
Why?
And cheese. I just just put peanut butter
I can't taste
because the original ingredients for beef caldereta is peanut butter with cheese.
it. I can't taste it.
You cannot taste it. I know. Because it's fully mixed. So how do you rate my beef caldereta pinkay? What's the number? Give me a rate.
Maybe 8, I don't know.
8. That's high. Okay, enjoy your food. Because I'm still cooking rice here. Para tumamaya kung gusto ni Hana na magkanin. Yan. Para ngayon ko lang niluto para fresh. Since we turned on the super thanks button, we would like to extend our gratitude, our super thanks to the first 2 people who contributed in our super thanks and really appreciates our video, our channel. Shout out kay Jerome Eric Sarino. Sir, thank you for the super thanks, for the monetary that you gave to our super thanks. So, and also to Sir Abner Esteban. Sir, salamat ha sa super thanks sa pagbigay ng monetary. So, we do really appreciate na-appreciate nyo ang aming channel. So, sa ganitong paraan, kung may gusto na mag-contribute sa aming channel, so there is a super thanks button. You can just click it. And if you want to help this channel, so we really do appreciate that. So thank you guys. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. Another day. Kagigising ko lang. Tingnan natin kung si Sofia naka-prepare na to school. Tahimik tayo kasi si Milan natutulog. Panggabi siya. So ka-uwi niya lang tulog. So hey, sising ko. Dobre rano. Baby, how are you? Yeah, so, are you better?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, ito yung pangalawang araw niya na babalik siya sa school na. At ako naman dito lang sa bahay. And then, what's your lunch for today?
Bobby has lunch, which is the sweet dumplings.
Sweet dumplings, so I don't need to prepare for you?
Mm-mm.
Okay.
Too tight.
Did you pray?
I always pray before I go to school. I know.
Okay.
Not when I'm getting ready.
Alright, okay. Be kind, okay? Yeah? You're beautiful, my baby. Bye.
Bye.
Come on, Sissy. Let's go. Let's go up. Come on. Put your. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Oh, kay gandang umaga. Malamig. Malamig. Tingnan natin yung Opava. Yan. Talagang magandang panahon ngayon. So maganda mamasyal sa Opava mamaya. Makapasyal nga. Yan, mag-iisang linggo na akong hindi nakapunta sa Opava. May iba naman yung ating surroundings. Kaya punta tayo mamaya siguro sa Opava. Yan, maganda. Lumabas na si Haring Araw. Kasi for the last 2 days, makulimlim palagi. Malamig. Yan, malamig lang. Pero at least may araw. So, okay na to. Pwede na namang uli mamasyal. So, that's all for today. Again. And again, sa mga tumutulong, sa mga nagbigay, marami pong salamat uli. And you don't need to. Kaya lang ginawa ko to kasi nga marami talaga nagtatanong sa inyo na how to give something. So I decided to turn on the super thanks button yan eh. Parang tapos i-click mo lang. Then okay, so that's it for today. And see you next time.